vegans and pre-vegans, I'm so glad you showed up today. I'm Miss Katie. Before we get into it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything going forward. Let's go. In case you don't know the rules, people are expected to write something positive or educational. Today we're going to be looking at your comments underneath this video. Let's see which ones are good, helpful, and which ones have to be removed. First, let's look at a comment that I wrote. Today at noon here in Italy, we all ate bean soup with onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, salt, pepper, rice, and tomato chunks in it. It was so good and so easy to make all in one pot. A response to this is, funny, garlic, and onion powder are two of my most used spices for almost anything in the kitchen. Haven't done it as a soup yet though. So that's a cute comment, so we're gonna give that a thumbs up. Give that a little heart because it was very positive. Next we have one by Joanne, and she writes, sounds delicious. I'm planning to make some soup too. I'm trying to decide if I want lentil or split pea. All right, so that also gets a positive reaction because it is something talking about veganism and she's trying to be kind. Next, we have a comment that says, Jesus wasn't vegan, yet he was a good person. And I actually replied to this, and my reply was, Jesus apologized for eating fish. He's vegan now. To which somebody replied, citation needed, which I find really funny. Because the truth is, we don't actually know what Jesus really did. I mean, it seems like he was a good guy, and I think that if he had been aware that fish feel pain, he would never have eaten them. And if he was alive right now, he would most certainly not want us to pay for the rape, torture, and murder of innocent animals. And I think most people can agree that we can't actually picture Jesus hurting an animal. We can't picture how he would kill a lamb. It just doesn't go over well. Next up, regarding the song, somebody writes, Miss Katie, this song has good rhythm. You should animate this. Well, I wish I had the time, but I have so many things to do. So in fact, in this video, it's really just a still shot of a young lady and a pig. And if somebody else would like to help me out by making a music video about it, that would be awesome. Next, here we have Ella, who writes, okay, here, I'll admit something. When eating or drinking animal produced things, I sometimes just feel sick to my stomach to think this was a living animal. It had a life. I've considered going vegan before. So it seems like Ella is trying to be a nice person. I'm going to give her some advice here. So what I can do is I can press the microphone on my camera and I can say something. Hi, Ella. Period. It sounds like you're trying to be vegan, and I'm glad you're here with an open heart and an open mind, period. One thing you can go do is check out challenge22.com. It's a great place to go to get free recipes and free help. So I'm going to fix this here because they put this together. Put that over here to check out challenge22.com. There we go. When you join Challenge 22, they put you in a group on Facebook and they give you advice for 22 days, period. They give you free recipes and you have access to a dietitian for free, period. You've got nothing to lose by signing up. And what you can do is come here every day and write a comment about how it's going, period. You can educate people for 22 days in a row in my comment section. Just write a comment that says, day 1 of being part of challenge22.com, period. And then, comma, continue to tell us the recipes that they gave you, what worked, what you're still struggling with, and let us know how the whole 22-day program goes. Exclamation point. Thanks a lot for being here. Exclamation point. Let's send that. There we go. All right, let's keep looking at other comments. So in this song, I do make a reference to The Matrix, and GX Benetti writes, if people don't understand the blue pill analogy, it's based on the movie The Matrix. Have you seen it? And Jet Set Vegan responds, I always say that too. The Matrix reference, from everything out there. I think this is the nearest reference possible. It also feels like you suddenly feel your chest, your heart, your insides, everything. Becoming vegan changes something deep down. There's no turning back, ever. So these are very helpful comments. I already pressed a thumbs up over there, and I'll do one here and a heart. Somebody else is making another reference to Jesus. Jesus is not vegan and he is happy, he not like you. All right, so I'm not sure what to do here, but let me try to respond. If Jesus was alive right now, he would be proud of everyone who is nonviolent, and he would not be happy for anyone to be violent, period. You can choose to be kind, like Jesus, or you can choose to be violent, period. Since you can choose either one, comma, why not choose the side of compassion for the victims, question mark. After all, comma, isn't that what he stood for, question mark. Next comment, someone writes, I wish more people understood that animals are no different than humans. They have feelings too. To which I put a thumbs up and a heart. Someone else writes, there's no significant difference between pigs or dogs or cows or horses. Animals can think and feel. They deserve moral consideration. You are already against animal abuse. Don't be complacent in it. So these are really nice comments. Here someone writes, if you asked God for a sign, this is your sign. Or if you just want one, no hate, just spreading God's word. I'm not sure what this person is referring to. I don't know if they're actually vegan or just trying to do some Bible thumping here, but let's respond to that. Everyone here should be striving to be as vegan as possible, period. Whether you believe in God or Jesus or not is not important, period. What's important is to live your life as a good person, always keeping in mind the victims, period. If you're not vegan yet, comma, please remove yourself from my comment section, period. This is a place for kind-hearted people, comma, not Bible thumpers. Joanne writes, I believe that children inherently know that animals are friends, not food. When I ask my grandchild, would you rather take a bite out of your dog or a banana? Even my grandchild can tell the difference. Exactly. Someone else writes here that they've been trying to get healthy because they heard audio from slaughterhouses and it made them feel really sad, and then is asking for help. Jet Set Vegan responds, you can ask ChatGPT a ton of questions or read around or even watch some older videos of That Vegan Teacher. And then Carrie writes what I have been saying also. Challenge 22 has registered dietitians that can help you plan a healthy vegan diet. This person has a hard time expressing him or herself, not a capital letter, and addressing me by bro. That's already impolite. And says that how does being vegan help? You're not stopping the killing. Well, of course you are, because there's something called supply and demand. If you stop asking for the products that hurt animals, they will stop putting them on the shelf. And then this person says, but to be for real, I don't care. So that will require somebody to be hidden from the channel. We don't want somebody here that doesn't care. We want people here who do care and who are kind. So that's all we have time for today. Coming up on screen are a bunch of other videos. Click on them, be curious, and don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos going forward. I look forward to seeing your comments under this video. Thanks for being here. Bye for now.